Presenting Samsung Galaxy M56 5G smartphone. It is available in variants 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It is available in colors, light green and black. This smartphone features with 8GB RAM, and has 128GB internal storage. It comes with brightest display ever in M series AMOLED Plus display with Vision Booster, 1200 nits, HBM, brightness, and 36% slimmer bezels. It features with 12-megapixel front HDR camera with flagship grade sensor and 10-bit HDR video capturing a wide range of colors for stunningly rich and true-to-life visuals. 50-megapixel, f1.8, main wide-angle camera plus 8-megapixel, f2.2, ultra-wide-angle camera plus 2-megapixel, f2.4, macro-angle camera. Video recording, 4K at 30 FPS with 10-bit video HDR. Enhanced nightography with low noise mode, big pixel and AI ISP. 2x zoom portraits for monster portraits. It has powerful 4nm, Exynos 1480 processor with flagship grade, vapor cooling chamber, and LPDDR5 memory and UFS 3.1 storage. Latest Android 15 operating system, having One UI 7.0 platform. Data cable, C2C, SIM ejection pin, and quick start guide.